Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show y'all how you can view your channel summary on Social Blade and anything of your channel on Social Blade. Like I'm not gonna spoil it for y'all. So if this, I already did a video like almost 1 year ago, which is how to view your channel summary on Social Blade. So yeah, so I'm doing an updated version, 2019 edition. Okay, so let's get started. And I also recorded on my iPad. So this video is HD. So yeah. Okay, so I'll have the link to that video in the description, okay, or in this card up here. So anyway, so what you want to do is go to Social Blade. Social Blade. I know it's right there, but I want to show y'all if you don't have, if you haven't searched for Social Blade yet, I'm going to show y'all which link it is on Google search. So I'm going to go to Social Blade, the second one. So you could go, so Social Blade is a website and it launched in 2008, but y'all don't care about that. So, so you have to click on the first link. Don't click anywhere else down here. If you want to watch Social Blade videos, you can click down on videos. You can click on videos, but anyways, so click on the first link, and it'll take you right to Social Blade. Okay, so analytics made easy. So you can enter your username. So my username is, enter your channel username. So let me make it bigger. So my channel username is Christian Music. Music Rocks. Okay, and then you can click search or click enter. Okay, so I just clicked enter, and then this would pop up. It would say load. It would load. It's going to load, and then click on your channel. Mine is the first one, so you can click on your channel name, your channel icon, select channel, or whatever that one is. I don't know what that one is, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to click on my channel. Okay, so this is what you can do. So it shows how many uploads you have, how many subscribers, how many video views, what country you are in, channel type. This is, if you click this, if you hover over this question thingy, it's the metric derived from the user's 10 most recent public videos. Social Blade uses the channel type that occurs most, but it hasn't done a channel type for my channel yet. I don't think it will ever do a channel type. So I have a C rank. That's my subscriber rank. That's my video view rank, and that's my Social Blade rank. Okay, and I got 7 subscribers for the last 30 days. I got 1,920 views for the last 30 days, and then it shows your most recent video. Okay, um, okay, so, and you can watch your most recent video, but anyway, okay, so here's your YouTube stats summary. User statistics for whatever your channel name is, February 24th, 2019 through March 10th, 2019. Okay, so it shows the date. It shows how many subscribers you had or have. It shows your video views, your estimated earnings. I don't have any money. I don't have any money on YouTube. I have $0 on YouTube, but I don't know why Social Blade estimates my money when I don't, my YouTube money when I don't have any money on YouTube. I don't know why, but anyway. So, and it shows the daily averages. You can share these if you want. The last 30 days. Okay. You can see full monthly statistics, share on Facebook, tweet this, or share on Google Plus. And you can view your YouTube progress graph for your channel. Okay, so that's my YouTube graph right there. Okay, that's my YouTube graph. See? Okay, so you can, I think that's my user summary. Yeah, that's my user summary. You can look at your future projections. Like this one estimates when you will get X number of subscribers in X amount of years, in X number of years. So look, it shows goal date May 10th, 2019, time until 2 months, sub, and it calculates the prediction of how many subs you will have. So or the views, it predicts the views you will have. Okay, and you can share the goal. So the last one will be March 10th, 2024, which is 5 years. I will get 1,085 subscribers and 1,611,465 views. So I suggest y'all make good videos, or else y'all won't get any subscribers. Okay, so you can also heart the channel. You can favorite the channel. Detailed statistics. I will have the link to Social Blade in the description below. So yeah. So this is the statistics. So on February 5th, 2019, it was on Tuesday. I had 214 subscribers, and I had 14,787 views, video views. And so March 10th, 2019, 221 subscribers, and that's live. Okay, and that's live. So you can view, let's view my featured box. Okay, featured box. I don't know what this means, but yeah. Oh wait, I know what it means. This is what you create on your more awesome channels. Look at this. Let's go back to home and see. Look, I have more awesome channels right there, and see, look, featured box. See, Zach Scott Games, Nathaniel Bandy, Abdallah Smash 026, Nico BBQ, and PK Sparks the Hotness. Okay, and see those channels, but Nathaniel Bandy didn't make it, or Harvey. I don't know how to say that last name. Okay, but anyway, so and you can click on a username, but for this tutorial, I'm not going to click on a username. Okay, so you can, oh wait, hold on. Social Blade rank, subscribers. So it shows, so yeah. Views. If you want to do this, you can. This is just a tutorial. You can view your user videos. You can view your videos on Social Blade, the date that it was created, the video title, the views, rating, percent. It's from the likes and dislikes, comments, and estimated earnings. Okay. So you can view your latest videos, 50 most viewed videos, 50 highest rated, or 50 most relevant videos. Okay, so now I'm going to show y'all the live subscriber count. The live subscriber count is fun. I would recommend y'all keep your live subscriber count on. So live subscriber count. So I'm currently at 221, but yeah. So that, but Social Blade is only for YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Dailymotion, and Mixer. So if you have those platforms, then great. Y'all can view your statistics on Social Blade. So, and it updates every second, this page. Okay, so now let me enter in. You can also enter in a different YouTube username. Like, let's search for Riley Clemens. Riley Clemens. She's a Christian pop artist. And see, Riley Clemens Vivo. And yeah, Riley Clemens topic. Okay, so you can also view your other YouTube usernames. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this and want to see more, then hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's reach 300 subscribers. Okay, you can. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe. Bye.